Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words Veer, Swerve, Lurch, and Careen. All these words connect as both verbs and nouns. Veer and swerve mean an unsteady and sudden change in a movement, where swerve is stronger, whereas Lurch and Careen mean a sudden and unsteady movement itself, where Careen is stronger. And because of it, I'm going to separate these words into two groups. First, Veer and Swerve, the second, Lurch and Careen. But that's not all the difference. To understand it better, let's take a closer look at some examples. So, Veer. Picture this. There is a driver, and the driver takes a turn and sees a tree or a tree trunk on the road. The driver takes an action, turning the steering wheel right to avoid the accident. This you can call as veering. Now what about swerve? Swerve is more rapid and unpredictable. For instance, again, there is a driver and the driver takes a turn, and suddenly out of nowhere, the driver sees that there is a moose crossing the road. So the driver takes an action rapidly, turning the steering wheel to avoid killing the animal, to avoid the accident. This you can call as swerving. Now, to the second group, Lurch and Careen. Lurch is about jerky and unsteady movement on the road. For example, there is a driver, again, and the driver on a highway. Suddenly, the driver's steering wheel started jamming, and you, as an observer, can see that the car started moving from side to side, maybe slightly jerking. This action you can call as lurching. And the last word, careen. Careen is the strongest. It is more about heavy shaking. It is about heavy jerking. It is about jiggling and jolting on the road. For example, like a car that has two flat tires on, for example, the right side, and you can see this, and you can see that the driver trying as quickly as possible, but slowly driving to get to the nearest body shop. For example, it's just an example. So, and that's wrapping it up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that now you understand the difference between these very close by their meanings words. So, see you next time.